I'm just letting you know I'm videoing it again because it was a bit dark last night on the 21st of August. So I'm better doing it in daylight so you can see the wall clock a little bit better. It's a Lincoln regulator wall clock and it strikes on the hour, and one at past the half hour as well. So, but I'm not recording the half hour strike because it's just one dong every half an hour. But at 12 o'clock you get all the strikes at 12 o'clock, and it's my favourite time. But it just goes a little bit past the hour. But as long as it keeps good time, that's fine. And there's this pendulum there. I think it's wood, mahogany wood. And if you look behind there, there's a little hammer that strikes the spring in there, and that's called a spiral gong spring strike. You can just see him any minute now. Day white whale. Yeah, that's lovely that. And that's all it does. So you can have that. It's a long case clock, innit? Long mahogany wall clock. So okay, please enjoy that from Stuart.